Hello, in this video I will show how this application uses Google Calendar access. This video is for Google Auth verification. I will also explain why calendar permissions are needed. All access is taken only after user permission and is used only for scheduling. This is the landing page of the application Slotly. Slotly is a scheduling platform that helps user book meetings based on real-time calendar availability. The application works by connecting a user's Google Calendar to manage availability and meeting schedules. Google Calendar access is required only to provide this scheduling functionality. This is the login screen of Slotly. Users can sign in using Google Sign-in or by using email and password. When the user clicks Continue with Google, authentication is handled directly by Google. Slotly does not see or store the user's Google password. Google Sign-in is used only to authenticate the user and connect your Google account with Slotly after user consent. After signing in, the user is redirected to the dashboard to manage scheduling and calendar features. This is the dashboard of our application Slotly. This section allows the user to connect Google Calendar with Slotly. Calendar sync is optional and enabled only when the user chooses to connect. When connected, Slotly can create and update meetings in the user's Google Calendar. A Google warning may appear because verification is in progress. Calendar access is used only for scheduling features. This warning is shown because the application is requesting restricted Google Calendar permissions. Google shows this message before verification is completed. The user can review the details and continue only if they trust the application. The screen appears during the auth verification process and is expected before approval. This is the Google permission screen where Slotly requests Google Calendar access. These permissions are required for the core scheduling features of the application. Slotly needs calendar access to check availability, create calendar events when meetings are booked, update or delete events when meetings are rescheduled or cancelled. Calendar access is used only for scheduling purposes and only after user consent. Although Google displays broad permission wording, the application only modifies events that are created by the user through Slotly. Slotly does not delete or change any calendar data without direct user action. At this step, the host creates a new event type. An event type defines how meetings can be booked by others. The host provides event name, meeting type such as Google Meet. This event type is later shared with invitees as a booking link. This is the public booking page shared by the host. Here the guest can see available dates and time slots. These time slots are calculated by reading the host Google Calendar availability. The application checks the host calendar to find free time. Only event start and end times are used to calculate availability. Busy time slots are hidden so guests can book only available times. When the guest selects a date and time, the selected slot is shown on the screen. The guest then enters basic details such as name and email. At this stage, no calendar event is created yet. Calendar access is used only to show available slots. A calendar event will be created only after the guest confirms the booking. After the guest confirms the booking, the meeting appears on the host dashboard. This shows that the booking was successful. At this stage, Slotly creates a calendar event in the host Google Calendar. This is done using the calendar permissions approved by the user. The created event includes meeting date and time, event name, participant details, Google Meet meeting link. The host can view, edit, or cancel the meeting from the dashboard. The meeting is also synchronized with Google Calendar. This ensures that the host calendar stays up to date and avoid double bookings. Now Google Calendar is opened. This is the host Google Calendar. The meeting created through Slotly is visible here. This confirms that the booking was successfully added to Google Calendar. This is the calendar event created after the booking. It shows meeting name, date and time, guest details, Google Meet meeting link. This event was created using the Google Calendar permissions approved by the user. The Google Meeting link is automatically added to the event. This allows both the host and the guest to join the meeting link easily. Only meetings booked through the Slotly were added to the calendar. No other calendar data is modified.